Let me remind you how this competition works. Week after week, these contestants will be working out with their trainers, challenging their bodies, and as a team, they'll be competing in challenges. That's my favorite part. What's the incentive for all this hard work? Well, the gain at the end of each show. After the weigh-in will be cash. For each pound lost, $1,000 will go into their bank account, and for each pound gained, they lose $1,000. So, cha-ching ching, it's up to them. Now let's meet our teams. Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome to Fit Farm, the place you'll spend some of your hardest days, filled with lots of motivation, some encouragement, some changes as well, and lots of fun. Are you excited?
So far.
So far, so good. Awesome. So 6 contestants, 3 trainers. It's just about that time to pick our teams. Let's go. First up we have...
Oh Lord.
Let me see Rowan.
Ron doesn't seem to have a lot of weight to lose. He has a stomach. But the first thing I do is analyze body type. Ron has what is called a mesomorph, athletic body type. And so I know that his transformation is going to be something awesome.
Master Brian seems to be a very disciplined leader. Just listening to him, I can tell you that he knows pretty much what is to be done.
Audrey, you're up next. Let me see the shirt, Audrey. Turn it around. Who do we got? Willie!
I was just looking and when she fold it out, I said, this definitely don't look like a small, medium or large. So it's either me or Big Pop. I know it was gonna be me. Like I had a dream about this, you know. Even when we met and we're talking, it felt like deja vu, like I was here before. I told her to. She's very, very good looking, yes.
Really? Thanks.
Chev, you're up next. And we got... Who's that?
Big Pop.
Big Pop.
When I saw Big Pop,
Trouble again.
I was disappointed when I saw Big Pop because you know all of the hard work that we did first season and it was serious and him work and you know what well we have to see what we can do about it this time around.
You know how me go to work? We work with everybody same way. RG phone I get called, Pastor Brian phone I get called, everybody phone I get called. You know, so that's how me work. Even if Siobhan train me, come like everybody I train me. You understand? So it's no difference. It's just a torturing man, and that's not the difference.
Sativa!
I actually like Master P because we had a little conversation beforehand. I was like, he's interesting. I think I'd like to work with him, so I'm kind of glad when I heard my name call from him.
Who's next on your team? Don't know. Elise!
When Audrey held it up and I realized that, hey, she's yellow and I'm yellow, I'm like, okay, cool. Guess it's in the works and in the atmosphere that I should be yellow. Good luck.
And last but definitely not least, the final reveal, Karen!
I wonder if this is the intense trainer that Sharon
worried, I don't know.
put me on his team. And then he told me he's T for terror.
I whispered softly. I said, torture. When she said that, I said the expression on her face changed.
And I was like, wow, I'm on that team.
She don't have nothing to be afraid of. She don't have nothing to be afraid, but just know, sir, when the work start, the work start. And I love to see results.
When you roll up Karen's shirt, but that's how we got this. As they roll up Karen's shirt, Karen look at me and say, we got this. I say, oh, one more Britney dance. So I say, all right, that's why we start motivate her from way out. You understand what you show? I say, we got this.
Class clone.
All right, guys. So you've seen which team you're on, who your trainer is. How are we feeling?
While watching it, I was like, I like how she handles her, you know?
Yeah.
So, I guess, you know, the lot of work. You want to listen?
I
I'm good. I'm in yellow today. I felt.
You felt it.
Like it.
The universe was talking to you. Karen?
I have no words.
Karen look like she's shocked, she's stunned, she don't know.
I have no words at the moment.
All right, guys. Well, congratulations once again. All the best for the season, and we're looking forward to seeing your changes. Awesome. After the break, we'll find out more about them. Losing It will be right back.